Good morning and welcome to another wonderful day in Petaling, Jaya. Now, there are so many European cars on our road, especially German cars. And German cars are wonderful to drive. You know that, I know that. Maybe you don't know that because you don't own one. Some of you might own one. Now, I own a few German cars. And when it comes to engineering these cars, they can be a little bit complicated. I'm talking about petrol and diesel powered cars, not electric cars. So, you need to have a very good aftermarket workshop. Now, German Motors Sindre and Berhard has been around for decades. They are in PJ section 13. You've probably driven past here many times and never really noticed them because you're driving too fast. So today I'm going to explain to you what is behind this black, red, yellow and white wall. Follow me. So we'll start with the German Motors office, where you have a whole bunch of helpful staff ready to look after you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Now they also sell a lot of interesting stuff. I know this is a repair kit when you have a flat tire. I know the man selling it. Steering wheels, mostly Mercedes-Benz. That means they're good with Mercedes-Benz. BMW parts, Audi parts, Volkswagen parts, Porsche parts. You've got a nice waiting room. You've got Kleemann wheels at the back. You've got a place for the, if you're too tired, you have to wait a little bit longer. This is where you come. And then we must show you the workshop. The workshop is the most interesting place. Now, when you come into the workshop, first thing you see is a whole bunch of guys, well-trained guys, working on the cars. Now, if you actually look around, you'll notice that there's a selection of cars that is very even. Why I say very even? You've got Porsche, you've got Mini. Now, some of you might say, oh, Mini is British. Well, it's owned by BMW. You've got a beautiful old SL there. Don't miss the SL. Look at that. That's a beautiful old SL. You've got the big boy S-Class here. You've got an M3 BMW here. Audi A6. Another S-Class. The S-Classes come with air suspension. One of the most common issues after maybe 10 years of ownership is the air suspension. And in German Motors, they'll fix that for you without any hassle. Porsche Cayenne. Porsches are known to have very high after sales and maintenance issues. But with German Motors, you have no problem. Look at this nice green color one. Very unusual color. You can see it's a family car. There's a little football in there. BMW 5 Series, passes warranty. So that's why it's here. And some older German cars. But I want to bring to your attention, oh, there, another M3. Bring to your attention this W123. So, at German Motors, they also do classic cars. Now, this classic car, this is not some, run-of-the-mill Mercedes. This W123 looks like it has been given a bit of modernization. It's got some modern wheels, still got the original engine, but someone loves this car. Then look at that. That is a very rare old classic S-Class. Not easy to fix. Look at the engine. This is what petrol heads want. This is something you will not find very often on the roads. So at German Motors, you can bring a car like this, the 450 SCL, to be fixed. They know what they're doing. Parts, availability, no issue. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hoists. So the work will be done fast, will be done efficiently, and they've been around long enough for customers to keep coming back over and over. But look at the range of cars. This is basically it. This is like some dream garage. You got your Cayenne for the family. You got your classic Benz. You got your daily driver 5 Series. You got your Roadster there. You got your Go Market car E30. You got your Paceman for some fun. Yeah, this is a dream garage. Porsche Cayman sports car. So, German Motors, you know the address. Come and pay them a visit. Get a quotation. I'm sure you will not be disappointed with their pricing.